So we're here at our machine and prototype, and we're setting this subplate up to hold. These are dowel pins, pull-out dowel pins, and I've got 4 of these, and they all measure 0.6246. So we're sneaking up on our dowel holes here with a helically bored hole. And I wanted to point out one of the really cool features of the Siemens controller. So if you look down here, we've got a 3D Haimer probe. And this machine doesn't have an electric probe like a Renishaw probe or something like that. And on the Siemens controller, you can actually use like an edge finder or something like this, or even like a dummy dowel pin as a probe, and the machine knows it's not, waiting for some sort of input from the probe. So I'm going to show you how we can measure this hole. I'm shooting for 0.625, so I've got 2/10 of clearance on either side of the hole. So let's check out the controller. And I'm in measurement workpiece, and I'll go here for this bore, 4-point bore. And then all I have to do from here is touch the probe off on all those 4 parts, on those 4 points, sorry. Oops. Zero that, and then back up at the control. We save 0.1. Alright, so we've got the 4 points touched off with the 3D Haimer, and I've got the measure only option selected. Hit calculate, and this hole is 0.6200. Sneak up on here, and we'll save 0.1 right here, and we'll go to 0.2. Save 0.2, and go about the middle of the hole, just like with like a Renishaw probing cycle. Doesn't have to be exact. And we're going to find our 0.3. So we'll save 0.3. And then come down and get 0.4. Okay, save 0.4, and then once you've got all your points, the little calculate button comes up. Calculate. Look at that, we're at 0.6251. So I'm a 1/10 over, but that'll do. Alright, so we're ready to check our pinhole. Get it nice and get it squared up. And sometimes you get a twist. Oh, there it goes.